Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you have been thinking of an easy way to make money online without investing a single dime and without offering any service, then make sure to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you and reviewing with you a platform where you can get paid for just watching videos online. Now, if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, my name is our Jimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video proper, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I publish new videos you will always be notified. So let's get straight into the video. Let me show you the platform where you can earn money by simply watching videos. So here's the platform that I am talking about. On this platform, according to what you see on your screen, it says you can earn 30,000 naira plus daily on Momotube. Now it says that you start earning real money today, you join thousands already making 30,000 plus daily on Momotube with simple video tags, exciting offers, and generous referral rewards. Turning your free time into cash has never been more rewarding. It says you can sign up and discover how easy it is to make money with Momotube, and there you can see the button there saying sign up. Now let's get down and see more about this platform. It says you can start earning right now by joining Momotube. You start your earning journey in less than 2 minutes. Create a free account with Momotube and instantly receive 12,375 naira welcome bonus. No credit card required, no hidden fees, just pure earning potential at your fingertips. That is looking good. So let's keep going. It says browse tags. That means you can browse and look through to see all of the tags that are there. You can share, you can interact and do more. You can get paid instantly through Momo, through your OPay, through your PalmPay and bank transfer, or your Momotube. Fast and secure payments guaranteed. So if you go down, you see more details about the platform. However, you will have to sign up, right? You have to sign up. Here is saying that you can have instant payment, yeah, and then there are different payment methods. You can see that you can redeem your points for awesome rewards. You can redeem your points on a huge selection of gift cards, including Momo, OPay, PalmPay, and many more. Now, this is why thousands choose us daily. Take your time to read all of this. It says that you can test mobile apps. That means that's one of the tasks you can do here to make money. You can complete tasks, and then you can work from anywhere in the world. You can learn and you can earn. So if you go down, you're going to see frequently asked questions. All right, you can see all of it. You just need to click on it and read all of the frequently asked questions. Now if you go down, you can see say check out our affiliate success stories. So these are different success stories that are on the page. So what you're going to do is to take your time and come here and study more about this platform. If you go to the top right here, you can see these 3 horizontal lines. You click on it, you are going to be seeing all of these details here. So just do your due diligence. All you need to do to sign up here is to click on the join now button. All right, click on the join now button, and then you see all the process for you to join the platform. Is this a real platform? I cannot really say, but for you to be sure whether it is legit or not, you have to sign up. The only way for you to know whether it is a legit site is for you to sign up, join, and then do some of the tasks and see if you get paid. All right, what I'm going to do is to sign up and do some tasks and see if I get paid. If I get paid, I'm going to come back and make another video showing you the results of my task. All right, you also can do the same. All right, if you've done it before, go to the comment section and let us know if this is real or not. All right, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. If you want to learn how you can make money online, real things you can be doing to make money online, or you want to join a community where you can actually learn how to make money online, then go to the link in the description and check the links there. I'll drop links for you there, or better still, you can drop a comment for me in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.